Today is a good day. Tonight will be even better. Why? Because you're about to learn easy throat exercises that cure, not just treat, your stubborn snoring in 3 minutes starting tonight. Even if straps, sprays, and even torturing CPAP masks have failed you in the past. Most people hear their snoring in just a few minutes per day by these powerful throat exercises. And they're so easy you can do them regardless of your age or physical shape. Use them anytime, anywhere, even while stuck in traffic or watching TV. Plus, the results are permanent. To learn more and test drive the easy snoring and sleep apnea exercises for yourself, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching today's Bye Bye Wait online video. Have a nice day.